When we found out we were having a baby, I was overwhelmed with emotion of what are we going to do?
Literally, I can't describe it. The moment was like magical, like my whole body was tingling and I just couldn't explain it. And I don't really get emotional, but it was like the first time as a man, tears came out of my eyes without me being able to control it.
When we first laid eyes on Athena, I couldn't believe she's here, and all I cared was for her to be healthy.
Literally, I held her and it's like holding magic.
When they asked me to be the godfather, I felt great. I feel honored and like very happy.
I mean, I kind of sort of expected it because it's my sister and I'm the only one, but at the same time, I wasn't thinking about it. The day that she asked me, I was kind of surprised and shocked. Like, it's definitely a pleasure. And she's just a wonderful, human being to take care of after.
I think it was 6 in the morning when Justina texted us that she is in labor with Athena, yes. The joy she brought in our lives, it's unbelievable, amazing. You cannot even express in the word how it made us feel.
I present your child to you,
a full-fledged member
of
the Orthodox Church
Church,
after receiving baptism,
chrismation,
and Holy Communion. Take good care of her and protect her.
Take good care of her and protect her.
Her name is Athena.
Her name is Athena.
God bless your entire family.
God bless your entire family, including me.
I love Athena, it's my granddaughter. I love her and I wish her to be healthy and have a good life with her parents. And I wish next year to have the brother and come back to this party here.
Hey Athena, I just want you to know that we love you and I just want you to always be happy and we're always going to be here for you, anything you need.
Athena, we love you. Just always be Baba's little girl, always smiling, always being a goof.
Athena, we want you to have a healthy, happy life, always to be surrounded by love, to always be you, to always be brave, and to always be kind. You are our whole world. You are a special little girl. You are amazing, and we love you so, so much. Ashta de Milo.
Ashta de Milo.